Alrighty guys, Brian here with the American Fluent Trade Room and the Liberty Trading Club. Just giving you another trade setup here today. This is our classic, what we call a fake out breakout. So the institutions will let the markets get into a channel here, and then you'll see a little retracement that doesn't meet the highs that you got here. And what actually ends up happening, the reason this happens is they want to trap the people that are going long and the people that are going short, and then there'll be a push higher to about the same level or above it before the bigger retracement happens. That's called a fake out breakout trade. It's one of our 6 trade setups. We teach you 6 very specific trade setups here with Liberty Trading Club and the American Fluent Trade Room. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to go ahead and just put our stop. We had our stop down here before. Just want to show you proper stop management after we get into a trade. We want to make sure we're capitalizing on those profits. So we're going to take this stop and attach it to our parabolic SAR, so that we're going to go ahead and lock in about it looks like about $800 or so in this trade so far. Well, maybe not quite that much. We might get stopped out at this level. I seriously doubt it. We've broken the pivot, so we should continue to go down a little bit further. So what we do teach you is we teach you how to get into trades with very little risk. So basically, getting in this trade, we wanted to wait for this little action to happen, and then the retrace, the move up to the high, and it to fall off that with a confirmation entry there. And pretty clean trade. Didn't have to take a lot of risk getting into it. We took the trade with the momentum and when the price action started moving in our favor. That's a fake out breakout trade. We also want to take it off high stochastics. We are using a 133 tick chart so to help us see trades a little bit cleaner instead of it being a traditional time-based candle. We want to look at the number of trades taken to give us a better view of what the institutions really want to do with the market. So that's a classic fake out breakout trade that we took here and just waited for price to return. And then once you do that and you get into a trade, you're just managing your stop at that point. A lot of people ask us, well, do you have targets? Why don't you have targets? Well, at the end of the day, if you get into a good trade, that trade is intended to run for more than 50, 60 points. You want that trade run for 70, 80, 100 points. And that's what we're hoping this is going to do. So we don't want to be too quick. If we get into a trade that's going in our direction, having a 30-point target is not going to help you a lot if you miss out on 100 points. So we have a very specific way to manage risk, get into trades, maximize your profits using things like the parabolic stop and reversal. And again, we have 6 trade setups along with a set of rules that help you create a bias so that you're able to take your trading to the next level. And what that next level is, a lot of people can see up to an 80% win rate on their trades. Yeah, that's right. So if you've traded before, you know that's a high win rate. If you haven't traded before, we'll start teaching you these 6 trade setups very cleanly, easily. Sign up for your trial at AmericanFluent.com, and we'll be happily get you started learning our process, start teaching you our 6 trade setups, even as you're a guest in the room, and then you'll get an entire week with us. You'll get some coaching sessions, and that's again Trading Made Easy with Liberty Trading Club and the American Fluent Trade Room. Please like, subscribe, and share these videos.